can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, currently trading about $56,000. Guys, I believe the next Bitcoin move is going to shock a lot of retail investors. Right now, the sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is nothing to write home about. There is still fear in the cryptocurrency market. It means market participants are not willing to let go of their money for some sweet cryptocurrencies. But I believe things will change very, very quickly, and I believe majority of market participants are going to get shocked. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin with a market cap of over $1.12 trillion currently trades above $56,000. Bitcoin has had a wonderful time over the last 2 years. We saw Bitcoin hitting a new low in November of 2022. Bitcoin was trading for $15,500, and sentiment in the market then was peak bearishness. Sentiment market there was nothing to write home about. There was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. But over the next 2 years, we saw Bitcoin slowly but surely grinding to higher values. Bitcoin got to $48,000. Bitcoin ETF was launched. Bitcoin continued its march towards higher prices, eventually getting to as high as $73,000. There's a lot of calls for new all-time highs. A lot of retail investors got pulled back in. We had seen Bitcoin trade at those price regions before. Back in 2021, we saw Bitcoin trading around $64,000, $69,000. There was call for 100K, there was call for 200K, but a lot of retail investors were disappointed. Way back in 2021, instead of us going to 100K, we went back down to Goblin Town, losing 77% of Bitcoin value in just about 1 year. We saw a lot of calls for 100K yet again in 2024, but this time it was not different. This time Bitcoin spent the next 6 months consolidating, moving sideways, slowly dumping to Goblin Town. And in the last 6 months, we have seen Bitcoin lose around 32% of its value. But with vibes down in Goblin Town, I'm here to tell you guys that I believe the opposite is going to happen. I believe there's one final rally for Bitcoin before everything goes to hell. The market doesn't end when the market's in extreme fear. Most times, those big dump comes after we have seen huge extreme greed in the market. Guys, sentiment is bad in the market, and that's led a lot of traders to start shutting Bitcoin down. Shutting means they are betting that the price of Bitcoin will go down to Goblin Town. And yesterday, something crazy happened. We saw a lot of traders getting liquidated. One trader was liquidated for over $2.8 million, betting the price of Bitcoin will go down. Just yesterday, total liquidation on Bitcoin accounted for over $45 million of the total $128 million that we saw liquidated from the crypto market. My short-term stance for Bitcoin is that a lot of traders will get wrong-footed. We've seen Bitcoin get to that $52,000. General calls in the market has been for Bitcoin to go below $50,000, maybe get to $40,000 of fine support. Guys, I believe we'll see Bitcoin back at $63,000 in no time. Maybe, just maybe, we're even lucky Bitcoin can rally to as high as $67,000. I try to play the future in my head, and what I'm coming up with is that right now the market is bearish. The market is bearish, and we continue dumping to Goblin Town. A lot of bears are going to be very profitable, and a lot of bulls are going to get knocked out. But those bulls have been getting knocked out for the last 6 months, and right now the bears are getting very confident. Right now, a lot of retail investors are happy shorting the market because why not? That has been the most profitable trade in the last 6 months. But guys, if you go back in time and see what was Bitcoin doing before March 2024, 6 months prior to that, Bitcoin was down in Goblin Town. Sentiment was down. That was September of 2023. The vibes was down. We're hearing how September was always a red month for Bitcoin. But coincidentally, 2023 September was not a red month for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin start the wonderful leg of that bull market. Bitcoin went from trading at $25,000 on the 13th of September 2023, rallying up to as high as $73,000 in 6 months. And what were retail investors doing in March? They were longing to the top. They were expecting Bitcoin to go to $100,000. The market was in extreme greed. We were seeing a lot of people sliding the leverage bar to the max. Right now, the opposite is what is happening. We are seeing bears doing the same thing, sliding the bar to the max, trying to leverage short the market down to Goblin Town. I believe the next move for the cryptocurrency market, we see Bitcoin rallying above $63,000. If you take a look at what has happened over the last 24 hours, We're seeing some pumps in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are having double-digit gains across the board. Bitcoin had a 3.7% increase in the last 24 hours. If you zoom out, the last 1 year, Bitcoin is up 127%. So from that perspective, I think retail investors are getting it wrong. Retail investors are getting overly bearish, and I believe we still have one more leg in this bull cycle. But guys, don't confuse that one more leg with this bull cycle. Like I say, we still have with Bitcoin going to new all-time highs. I'm of the opinion we are not going to see Bitcoin setting all-time highs anytime soon. I'm of the opinion we might not see Bitcoin break $73,000 anytime in 2024. Yes, sentiment in the market might shift towards greed for a little while, but guys, this will be the exit pump. This will be the pump for you to get your profit. This will be the final chance for you to sell for some sweet profit. Long-term investors have been taking profit for 6 months right now. The market won't continue to be this high. We won't continue seeing Bitcoin trading above $50,000 at some point in time. Bitcoin is going to dump to Goblin Town. And if you take a look at this green line through the Bitcoin chart, this Bitcoin's 200-week simple moving average. You can see that Bitcoin usually over time retraces back to that moving average no matter how long it takes. And right now, I believe what happened in 2022, the beginning part of 2022, we're in those early phases right now. And what happened in 2022? We had a huge rally that ended in November 2021. Bitcoin first had a huge dip, losing around 50% of its value in around 80 days. A lot of people got hyper bearish, and then there was a relief rally, and that's the same version of relief rally I think we're currently seeing in the cryptocurrency market. That relief rally lasted for 68 days, and in that time frame, Bitcoin went up 43%, and in that time frame, Bitcoin went back to its 200 simple moving average. In 2024, I see similar things playing out. Bitcoin blasted below its 200-week moving average. On the 5th of August, we saw a huge jump that took Bitcoin towards $49,000. There was extreme fear in the market, and then Bitcoin had a retracement rally back to that 200-week moving average. Bitcoin rallied up by around 32%. It took 19 days. Right now, vibes in the market are down, but something fundamental has happened. Bitcoin has not set new lows, and it looks as if we're heading back to that 200-day moving average. I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin rallying above it, maybe even giving $67,000 a run for its money. But hands are in the air. Bitcoin might have one final pump to the moon. We might finally see one big pump to get all the bears liquidated. Remember, guys, the bulls are going to get liquidated, the bears are going to get liquidated, the pigs are going to get slaughtered, and only those that are patient, only those that stay till the end, only those that stay true to their plan might survive Bitcoin's next move. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a bear? Are you a bull? Do you expect Bitcoin to pump to the moon? Do you think $100,000 is possible in 2024? Or are you gearing up to sell when that one final pump comes because you're getting ready for when Bitcoin will dump to Goblin Town? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.